Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the credit one bank showing a network connection error even though your Wi-Fi is clearly working for everything else? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. After that, turn it back off. This will reset your network connection and clears a stale system that credit one secure servers can reject even when your internet looks fine. After reconnecting, force close Credit One bank app from your recent apps, then reopen it fresh. If the error continues, go to Settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap the I in a circle next to your network, and then tap Forget this password. After you forget the password, go ahead and reconnect by tapping the network again and entering your password. This clears a broken connection session. If it still shows the error on Wi-Fi specifically, go ahead and try switching to mobile data in the settings to confirm whether the issue is with your specific network. Also in the settings, go back and go to General. Scroll down to the through here and then tap VPN and device management and confirm no VPN is active since VPNs frequently trigger false connection errors on banking apps specifically. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi and turn off any VPN. The connection error clears and that's it. Subscribe.